Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall SoFi app and cancel recurring card subscriptions step by step clearly. To uninstall the SoFi app, begin by locating the app icon on your device. For iPhone users, press and hold the SoFi app icon until options appear. Select Remove App from the options that show up. Then, tap on Delete App to confirm the uninstallation. For Android users, find the SoFi app icon in your app drawer or on your home screen. Press and hold the app icon until a menu appears. Select Uninstall from the menu options. Confirm the uninstallation by tapping OK. Now that the app is uninstalled, let's proceed to cancel any recurring card subscriptions linked to your SoFi account. Open your web browser and visit the SoFi website. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Settings section. Look for the Subscriptions or Payments tab. Review the list of subscriptions tied to your account. Select any subscription you want to cancel. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. Make sure to check for a confirmation message to ensure the cancellation is successful. It's also a good idea to monitor your bank statements for any future charges. That concludes the steps to uninstall the SoFi app and cancel recurring subscriptions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.